Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to download Microsoft SQL Server and install. First open a browser and search here SQL Server. And here is the first link SQL Server download. Click here and scroll, and here is a two option, one of developer and second is Express. Express edition is free and click on download here. Now click on this download and minimize and click yes, and here is the two option, one of basics and another is custom. So click on basics for beginner and click accept and click on install. Now downloading complete and installation start. Now installation has completed successfully, and this is your connection string. Here is a location for log folder and here is the location for media folder, and here is the resources. Now click on customize now click on next and click on next and click on next, accept the licenses and click on next, uncheck this and click on next and select all, click on next and keep the default instance. Click on next and click on next and select here mix mode, SQL Server authentication and Windows authentication. Mix mode is necessary for remote device connection. So username is SA and you can put the password here. Suppose I am keeping the password 12345 and confirm password 12345. Remember this password and click here add current user and click on next. Now installation complete successfully and message is installed successful and close. And if you want to install SQL Server Management Studio, then you can click here install SSMS. So click here and here is the latest version of SSMS. Download SQL Server Management Studio. Now click here and save in the download folder. Now downloading in progress. This is almost 647 MB. Now download has completed and click on this setup, and here is a Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Click on install. Now installation completed and close. Now click on connect now, and here is the result. One row affected. That's mean your SQL Server is installed successfully. Close this and now close and click yes. Now search here SQL Server Configuration. Click on Configuration Manager and click yes. And here is the status of your SQL Server. Now click here SQL Server Network Connection, and this is important for if you are connecting through remote devices, remote connection. And click here TCP IP. Here is disable. Right here, right click here and go to property and go to IP addresses and go to TCP port IP all and TCP port 1433. This is the default port for SQL Express, and click apply and OK. Click OK. Now enable the TCP IP. Click here and enable. Now OK. And now go to the SQL Server Services, and here is your SQL Express. Right click here and restart the server. Now this is OK, and close this window. Now open the SQL Server Management. So type here SQL, and here is the SQL Server Management Studio, and open. And click on connect, and here is the databases, system database. Now you can create a database here. So right click here and new database and give the database name here. Suppose demo. Give the name for database. Now click OK and our database is created successfully, and there are no tables, only system tables. So create the tables, right click here and click new tables, and here is the table name. Give the ID and type int and allow null. Keep the and select data types, and now click yes. Give the table name table 1. OK, and here is a table. This is our table 1. Thank you for watching this video.